up, guys? It's your boy John. We are going to be working on the Tesla Model Y today. We got a roof rack crossbars. Pretty easy to install. You pretty much just put 4 little mounting spots and you hook up the 2 crossbars. Let's just get into it. Here's the unboxing. It has the outer piece, the little rubber mounts, some tools. So you don't need any tools. All the tools are right here. Some keys so you can lock it. Awesome. And everything's wrapped pretty nicely. Now there's a longer one and there's a slightly shorter one. Longer one goes into the front. Now installing this is actually pretty easy. All it is 4 mounting spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just pop the crossbars on. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So let's just get started. Now, it's a glass roof, so where do you exactly put these mounts? Now, if you see in the glass, make sure you clean it. But right here, you'll be able to see, let's see if I can show that camera. You're gonna see 2 lines and then like an arrow pointing to where it mounts to. Just get a light on that maybe. You see that? It's right here. And there's gonna be 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and that's where you're gonna put the PPF on. Mount spots right here, and here's the 2 lines. Give it a quick wipe. So there's gonna be a little rubber seal. You can bring it over here and use this pry tool, match it up with the arrows, and you should get that little hook. That's it, that's all it takes. Now do that to the other 3 and we'll proceed. All right, so you have this rubber mount that kind of sits right here. There's a diagram that you can see right here with a dot filled, that's where it goes. So L means when you're in the car, left side. So that's gonna sit right here, like that. Now the other one's gonna be like L2, which is the left rear, R2, R1, and they're all gonna show a little diagram with a bubble filled in, and that's where it goes. Do this to the other 3 sides and we're pretty much almost done. After that, we're gonna place the bar on top. Match the holes. This will definitely help you have 2 people. So I got one side in and then just kind of walk to the other side. Just so you can match the holes. Boom! The thing with the Allen key head is the bolt is gonna hit. So you're not gonna be able to use it anyways. You just use this tool. But honestly, with your hands, should get you in a good spot. And then you can finish it up with this tool to get it kind of tightened. So I got some threads right there. All right, that concludes it. Roof racks are on. It's sturdy, easy to remove. Looks really well built. If you guys are interested in this roof rack, buy EVBase. Link down below. I'll also leave a little coupon code if you guys are interested. Yeah, it looks amazing. Ready for whatever trips that we have coming up. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next one. Peace.